Hello friends. Today we're exploring an amazing truth. Your brain is designed for connection. Neuroscience shows that human minds depend on social bonds the same way they depend on food and sleep. As soon as we wake up, our brain looks for signs of belonging and emotional safety. This isn't just psychological, it's biological. Scientists discovered that a large part of the human brain evolved specifically for social tasks, reading faces, recognizing expressions, and remembering people. Humans survived not because of physical strength but because they communicated, cooperated, and built strong social groups. According to Dunbar's research, the human brain can maintain around 150 relationships, about 15 good friends, and only around 5 very close connections. These closest people help regulate our emotions, reduce stress, and support our mental health. Friendships affect the brain through powerful chemicals. Oxytocin builds trust when we hug or share emotions. Endorphins make us feel relaxed and joyful when we laugh together. Dopamine motivates us when someone appreciates us. These chemicals explain why spending time with close friends changes our mood instantly. When connections break, the brain reacts strongly. Loneliness increases cortisol, weakens immunity, and disturbs sleep. Research shows long-term loneliness can be as harmful as smoking daily. The brain treats isolation as a warning signal, because throughout evolution, being alone meant being unsafe. Childhood shapes how we build relationships later. When a child receives love and emotional warmth, the brain learns that people are safe. If a child grows up without support, the brain becomes guarded. But the book explains that healthy friendships in adulthood can help heal old emotional patterns. The book explains how the digital world confuses our brain. Social media notifications give small dopamine bursts, but they don't build real bonding chemicals like oxytocin. This is why someone may have thousands of followers yet still feel lonely. Real connection requires real human presence. To strengthen the social brain, simple daily habits matter most. Eating together, walking with someone, talking openly, or joining group activities. These small, repeated actions build emotional connection and release bonding chemicals that support mental well-being. The book's main conclusion is powerful. Supportive relationships keep the brain healthy. Happiness doesn't come from isolation or independence alone. It comes from meaningful bonds. The closest people in our lives influence our brain structure, chemistry, and long-term emotional resilience. So friends, the lesson is simple. Protect your close relationships. Give time to people who support you. Even one honest conversation a day can improve your brain's health. If this video gave you new understanding, share it with someone you care about. Stay connected, stay supported, and I'll see you in the next video.